This 5-minute solution will show you how to delete TikTok watch history on iPhone at once. Follow this step-by-step guide to do it. Go ahead and launch the TikTok app. Open your profile. Tap on this menu icon. Tap on Settings and Privacy. Tap on Activity Center. Tap on Watch History. Tap on Select. Now select the video that you want to clear from your watch history list, and if you want to delete all histories at once, then tap on Select All Watch History. Tap on Delete. Tap on Delete. And that's how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5 Minute Solution. See you in the next video.